Hey guys, JD here. I've been watching this CAD yen and I'm looking for a breakout, which is trying to happen right now. We need to clear these highs here and we will be broken out. Didn't quite clear, unfortunately, but you see the momentum here. We got a lot of push up. And just to give you a quick view here, on the day chart, plenty of room, no resistance to this EMA. It's breaking above this line that I have drawn. 4 hour, same deal, trying to get above that line. Pushing nicely right now though, and on the hour, it's clearing it. So we're breaking out. Drop back to the minute, see what we get. All right, we are through. So now we're gonna wait for the pullback. We got a breakout. Got a breakout, clean. All right, wait for a little pullback, and hopefully we get an entry to join this run. I saw this huge candle here when it happened, and I thought about going right here, but I just try to stay out of the range. But it would have worked. 1, 2, 3, easy win. Well, I say easy. You'd have been scared the whole time to the last candle. But let me check everything. We got 3 minutes, 1%, 92%. We ready to go. Locked and loaded. Everything is lining up on the day chart, 4 hour. We ready to go. We've broken out. Here's the pullback. Now we definitely want a good signal candle because, you know, we've tried to break out of this area before and have been able to do it. Well, just twice, just twice. But last time, I mean, it came all the way back down here. Time before that, it came all the way back down here. So, but you know, now that we're through it, this looks good. Here's the pullback. Here's the breakout. Here's the pullback. A lot of stem here. Thing look like it's ready to run. Let's get ready to go. That candle looks awful strong. Oh yeah, broke lower first. We're in. We'll see. This is a 3-minute trade, and see what we get here. It's looking tough. Had a feeling to maybe wait till it got all the way back to the range line, so I could just be early. Oh, we got trapped. I really think I'm just early, and the breakout pullback is still being made here. So we need this one to push up very strong for us, close on this top, and give us a whole bunch of stem. Oh, you're going the wrong way, candle. You're going the wrong way. Yeah, I got in early on the breakout pullback here. Got trapped. This is the entry candle. Geez, oh Pete's. Making a double bottom. Yeah, I got in too soon. So, you know, the signal candle just got me. But again, it kind of was having to go into the high, so that was my mistake. I should have waited for something closer off of here. So, I mean, the breakout pullback is actually still in play. I just got in on a candle too soon. Now we're breaking out. Now we're pulling back. Now this candle is looking better and better. This candle makes it past here and makes it past here. We definitely are heading, I would say we're heading higher. I just got in too soon. But I will wait for this one to close to, like I should have done before. Because you want a good signal candle, because it's a lot of sell pressure now. And we didn't get it. Broke lower first. There's been a lot of sellers in this area. When it breaks out, it's going to be gone. We want to clear these stems here. Preferably with maybe 10 seconds left in the candle. Don't want to catch a dud. I said 10 seconds left. Go. Take us on a ride. Now this is the proper breakout pullback entry. I was just too soon early. Minute 20, now we're on a ride. 51 seconds. Hopefully we can hold on, and now the trend is in play. We'll be back to even, and we'll see if we can start over here and get 3 in a row. All right, 20 seconds, and we'll be back to, that'll be a scratch, and we'll try to get the 3 in a row from here. 9 seconds. Oh, we got a, but we broken out. So now, man, this looks like a rally-based rally. See how that day chart looks now. We're through it. Still got room up here to get to the EMA. Before we see any resistance, I'm gonna drop another line here, so we'll know to be cautious once we get here. This will be our stop line. About here. Okay. Where is it? Way up there. Plenty of trades before we make it there. Okay, this is a nice 2-leg back setup here. I would like this. This made a double bottom though. If this closes up over here or above there, I'll actually take that again because we got good strength. This got good strength now to the upside. A little pullback like that, it's kind of expected. Although your best bet is to wait for the EMA touch, but I've seen this setup before. This might be good. This is looking like a strong trend, runaway train type situation. Again, we want to wait. We don't want it to break through until 10 seconds left. See, that's why I see would have done it. We would have caught a dud if you had went early. Patience, patience. Okay, now at this point, I need my 2 legs back. This is 1 leg, another pullback. I want this to come down first. Give me EMA touch. It's trying to take off. Let's see if it clears right here. It's too much time left. 37 seconds. It's just too much time on the clock. I'm a patient man. You know, we saw where the top is at. There's plenty of room, plenty of time. Oh, I had a feeling this thing's just going. Had a feeling it's gonna be a runaway train, but you know, we have to be in it for 3 candles, so we don't. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. But yeah, I saw the pattern though. Get 2 little back like that after a nice push up. Probably gonna get another leg like this. But you know, again, not a great close. Not a great close at all. A lot of stem up there. So again, the safest entry is something off of this EMA. But look at our EMA now. Nice angle on that. Pointing up. So hey, we got a working trend. Now we just wait for good entries. See, you take that, you are down right now. Nervous purpose. If you got caught in here, you know, when you down, you might be about to lose. It's always risky when you got to go into the highs. But man, this thing's looking good, kind of good now though, because we got a pullback, ran up, another pullback. But man, just ain't coming back towards the EMA yet. Strong trend, good sign, good sign. But I'm gonna wait. So here's what's going on. We got congestion. Doji, 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 stem, stem, stem. What we wait for in this case is a counter trend breakout back to the EMA. This pattern happens a lot in a strong trend. You see a couple dojis, you see candles stacked up across like this. Wait for the pullback. Don't get suckered into going long. If it takes off and the trend continues, great. We just got a great trend. But typically, that was some congestion, and typically it's gonna break out counter trend first. This one might not. This one, you know, we're looking kind of strong here. But typically, again, don't try to take the trade into the new highs. Like even if you'd have taken this one, 1, 2, 1, 2, you up. If this one don't pull back on you, you up. But so risky. The better trades are anything off this EMA. And right now we blew that first trade, so we don't have no cushion to take no risks. So we got to get a good entry, preferably off of the EMA. Now we're looking strong. Now the trend is just, hey, we got a nice trend going here. This is a strong trend. Yeah. So this one would have worked. 1, 2, 3, it would have worked. Would have worked. If I had entered when it crossed here, like I was thinking, 1, 2, 3, would have worked. But again, we know there's plenty of room up. And that's just the EMA. It doesn't mean that the EMA is gonna stop the party. That's just where we may hit some resistance. So there can definitely be 3 or 4 more setups coming. Got a great trend going. Got a great trend going. Look at that EMA. It's getting straight. It's getting very straight. And you know, these pullbacks are shallow. So we got a nice trend going. If these bars start to get little, like through here, see how small these bars were? You know, I would consider taking every pullback, since I know we're breaking out of this area. But the greens are actually too big still. Probably gonna get a nice pullback here in a minute. See how that kind of pushed up? We're in a nice strong we're in a strong trend now. It may be not strong. We're in a healthy trend. Strong trends are rare. I'll show you a strong trend. They something special. Yeah, this boy here is all right. I hate this one didn't set up for us well. Like I would have taken this one. If this one had closed up here, I would have taken this one. That's kind of unfortunate that it didn't set up the way I liked. Well, we got a good trend. Let's look at the 4-day chart. We're through. Let's look at the 4-hour. Through on the top. Man, nothing but daylight on the 4-hour. And the hour. Oh yeah. Clean breakout. Just gotta wait for a pullback. And I'm joining this, jumping on this train. Rally base rally. I'm a rally base rally. So tempting. So tempting. That was a very small pullback. So tempting. We're just too far from the EMA. We're just too far from the EMA. This candle is actually too big. No, that sounds weird in this case, but it's already going into the high, so we need something to, we need a pullback. I'm a patient man. You know, the rally base rally should have happened down in this area, not up high like here. So I'll wait for a pullback. We'll get another entry. We'll probably get a repeat pattern of maybe 2 back. If I see 2 reds back and then another green up again, then I'll go. But I need a pullback first. Okay. We may be in a strong trend. In a strong trend, you're gonna get real shallow pullbacks. This is like the unicorn, okay? This is looking like the unicorn. You don't see these a lot. And you know, it's tough because I hate to jump in and get caught, you know. But if this bar here cannot make it like under here, especially under here, okay. Or I about to say, or under this stem, like if this pullback is another shallow like this or like this, I'm gonna have to go with it because this EMA is as straight as it gets. I know we're just breaking out of a fresh zone. Okay. All right. They made a decision for me. This is a pretty big candle. Okay. So we'll still look for 2 back because this candle got big. Some sellers came in. I was about to say for a second, thought we was in a strong trend. A strong trend is, ooh-wee. See, I don't know. We might be in a strong trend, people. We might be in a strong trend. But this bar was a little too big for me. If it was small again like this one, I would have said a strong trend. So just give me, if I get another red back, if this can pull back. What I do like about this is almost matching bottoms though. This is almost matching bottoms. I am so tempted to say we in a strong trend and pull the trend. Okay, help me out. Yeah, don't even make it hard on me. Just everybody say breathe, JD. Breathe. Okay. I'll take that as a down up though. Come on, one more. There we go. Now we got an entry. I'll take the next green up, period, because this is just, you know, we got a lot of strength here. But I needed an attempt back. Okay. Feel a lot better now. I feel much better now. Because I do not want to take the trade into the high. I want to take the trade that I know is going to try to, you know, test these highs again. But this EMA is so far away. I don't think we finna get. I don't know if this trend is going to have too many EMA touches. So we just look for any kind of 2 candles back. This is exciting. This is the cool. This is the good trend here. Should need a good signal candle. All right. I would love for this to break lower first, which is not going to do. Probably because this is a strong trend. That EMA is not as straight as it was. I mean, I know it's hard to tell. But yeah, we get a close above this candle. We're probably going higher. That's one down, up, down. Yeah, break lower. Make it easy on me. Break lower. Don't even gotta guess it. See how these candles are struggling though? Prime example, see this bar? We've had one, let's count this 2. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. We've had 4 reds and we can't even get under this bar. This 1 bar to these 4 bars. That's telling us story. Too much strength in the market. Hey, I gotta break lower. I gotta stem lower. Strong EMA. If this thing flies above this stem, gotta go with it. Preferably in the last 10 seconds. 3 minutes, 1%. We locked and loaded. 92% locked and loaded. I'm gonna go just because I believe this is a strong trend. And that was kind of a small fat signal candle. So that probably was the, yeah, I got caught. I'm making some mistakes today. I kind of saw this is the down up. This is all one leg down. This is the up. So this is one leg. Now it's making the second leg. I'm in early. This could turn into a 2-for-1 though. If we get a strong push up, it'll turn into a 2-for-1. Right now I'm in too soon, just like I did on the rally base rally. Again, the best entry is something off of the EMA, which we're not quite getting there. We got a lot of sales strength here. Nope. Let that one get us, man. We got trapped. We got trapped. No miracle comeback on this one. What we got caught in is in the second entry. We got caught taking the first entry. Down, up, this was the first entry. We should be waiting to see what this candle does. And it's not looking good. It's broken the EMA, so it's not a good sign at all. It's quite unfortunate. Not only did we get caught here, you know, we wouldn't even enter this at all. So down another one. So now we're down one. It's pretty unfortunate, especially when we skipped this one right here. And this one right here that would have worked. 1, 2, 3. It's too bad. Now we got a matching bottom here. This is the first trend break though, so you always expect a trend break retest to a new high. So we gotta see. What we need is a huge candle to come out of nowhere, climb back above here. That's something, man. These candles were so small. And then boom, as soon as I entered, got that huge one. That's how the cookie crumbles. We just need a mighty candle to come up and say, nope, we're still going higher. We just was trapping shorts like I got trapped here. See that little gap it made when it opened? That's kind of showing some sales strength, but it's gonna close the gap. It should close the gap and fall, actually. You know, now that we've had a trend break, this is a tough situation now. But that was a decent run up. I mean, especially if you consider it started here. That was actually a pretty nice run. It's actually a pretty nice run. This is just the first trend break. So if we get a retest, we would be expecting another leg of this distance. And hopefully we could take advantage of it. We did not take advantage of that run at all. I mean, I lost here instead of waiting for the entry here. This one didn't give me a good signal candle, so I couldn't get the dub there. On the cross here, I didn't take this because it was going into the highs, but so I left some money on the table here. But this trend just didn't run the way I like. Okay, but now we gotta, I don't know. This is a pretty clear trend break here. EMA is starting to point down, so we'll see. Like I say, we need a magnificent candle to say, no, we're still going higher. A little pullback, to be expected. Just wish I had not pulled the trigger on this little stubby. I mean, it was decent though. It broke lower, goes higher. I know I took it. I mean, amongst all this, but at the end of the day, this was all one leg down. So that was just the first entry. It still ain't made a second entry yet. It might be coming now. See, we got 3 stems across. This might be the bottom. See how we broke higher right in this area. We need a candle we need a huge candle, huge signal candle, trend bar candle. We need like one of these or one of these or one of these to say the trend is gonna continue. Can't be nothing weak. Made another new low. That's a lot of reds in a row though. I think the sales might be running out of gas here. I may be wrong. I'll pause, be right back. So this completely turned and kept going. I mean, look at that trend down now. That was completely unexpected with all the momentum we had up. So, oh, cat yen got real volatile on us. But if I hadn't taken this shot, you know, once we had this trend break, I wouldn't have entered. So it's just unfortunate that I saw this as a second entry here. Because if I hadn't, we wouldn't have taken that loss. After this trend break, I would have just sat and watched what happened, and I would have watched that that trend was over. So tough call. That's how it goes. So, you know, I had a thought that, you know, still we had a trend break, still should try to get a retest to a new high. This candle here was such a nice signal candle. I thought of entering here and looked like it would have worked. But the safer play is now we got a low. We want to push above the EMA, pull back for a higher low entry. But we got to wait for it to get above the EMA. But if I had taken this one, I about bet we would have won, but just too risky. Because this is our original breakout area. So we just came back to it. And we're pushing up pretty nice now. So I wouldn't be shocked at all if we make it back above this EMA. And then we know that we're going to be trying to retest here. So hopefully we can get the 3 trades. Well, we need 4 now. We got to get back to even, and then we would need 4 more. But yeah. May not be over. Whenever you have a trend break, you're expecting a retest to a new high. So this is just a strong trend break off of, but this was a good run up. And again, on that day chart, we still pumping up. So this might have been the last of the sellers in the market. We will see. But what we need now is we got kind of a, not really matching bottom, but close. But that was a beautiful signal candle up. 1, 2, 3. That would have been a win. If I had taken it. Way too risky, but it wins a lot. I see it a lot. If I was already up a couple, I would have took it. But now what we need is a strong push to get back above this EMA, then a red back, then a good signal candle up for a higher low entry. So our next possible setup is a higher low entry. So we got a high. I'm kind of considering this a lower high. Breaking back into this area. Oh man. See, seller strength. I mean, if it had stayed up here and closed above, I would have to take it. Still 15 seconds. You could shoot up at the last second here. Nope. So now the safer trade is going to be, again, to wait till it gets above the CMA. Okay, so we are back, and we got an interesting situation going because we just flew through. Uh-oh, little man up. Okay, so I thought we were going to get a rally-based rally, but we didn't. I mean, we just flew through the EMA. So now we're waiting for a pullback to get, higher low. We got a low here, really another low here. So we're looking for a higher low entry. Normally you want it to happen closer to the EMA, but like I say, we just shot through it like a rocket. So we may not get it. We may get kind of a rally-based rally here. I mean, if we just get a candle to close above here, I have to take it. Nah, I really wish I had taken this one. I thought about taking this one, but here we go. What we really want is a pullback closer to the EMA. But I don't know if we're gonna get it. Nope, we're off. We're gonna see. Looks like we're getting a rally-based rally here. Again, we're attempting to make these highs here. So we'll see. Hopefully I didn't get trapped again. 3-minute trade. Okay, 32 seconds for the rally-based rally. Okay, I had to get my son tightened together for had to get the cars going for him on Disney, and it was taking all day, but the rally, base rally worked. Small pullback. I really want to go again. Oh, we're back even on the day. So again, I got to take my time, but we're definitely looking to try to retest now these highs. So normally at the rally base rally, the next setup will be something like this. I mean, this is a pretty strong trend here we got going on. I'm gonna go again. We'll see. Okay, good first candle. Again, we're expecting to retest the new highs. Looks like that was a good call so far. Minute 37 to go, and we will finally be up one on the day. Still got stuff going on at work. I still work a full-time job. Okay, we are attempting to make new highs. So the trend is going to continue. So as I said before, when you get a good trend, you expect a trend break and then a retest to new highs. So just because I get a trend break, you don't stop looking. You hold on, because you're probably going to get a retest. It may not be successful. If it's successful, the trend is going to continue. But even if it's not successful, you may get one or two trades before it fails and then comes back down. 43 seconds to hold on for this win, though. That was a great entry right here. You know, I've been skipping that, but the reason I took it this time is because I didn't have to go into the new highs. You know, we already had a high, so I knew that we were going to try to get up there. So that's the difference in going into, you know, like a high candle here, or if I'm trying to go here. That's the difference. I had a target on this one, had a target. And now, you know, this little pullback here, man, we may get another entry to go to break these highs. Now that one, would I skip it? We'll find out, I guess. Not quite sure. But there we go. Now we're up one now. Okay. Now we got to be a little careful, because now we're going into new highs. But man, it looks strong again. I'm tempted. If it breaks through here, I will be tempted. Especially if we're up one now. We got a little cushion. But we could easily make like a... It's just better to wait. It's better to let it break, make the new high, and then we'll be in another trend. Again, if we go look at the day chart, let's remember, we got nothing but upward momentum going here. So let's just let the price action prove itself to us. We're finally up one trade today. We lost one. So now we need two more for our cycle. Yep, see? We didn't make the new high. We could be coming all the way back down. So it's better to be safe. Let me pause here for a minute. So again, this is very tempting, but it didn't make the new high. So it's just riskier. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, beautiful candle. But it could be a down. Could be another first leg entry. I'm not getting hit with another first leg entry. It's going to have to prove itself to me. It's going to have to get higher than here. I'm straight. Well, it is proving itself. That would have been a win. That would have been a win, but we got burnt like this earlier on a first leg entry. Sometimes you gotta let one go to let price action prove itself. You know, we still haven't made the new high. I mean, it's struggling, still ain't made it. So, you know, let's not talk too soon. Yeah, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I knew it looked good. I knew it looked good, but it had to prove itself. I had to make it prove itself. We could be up two, people. We could be up two. We could be up two. We could be up two. I knew it looked good. I mean, it's just been a nice run here. We hit this one, right? Then when we hit this one, dang, if I had hit this one, that would have been trifecta. I blew that. Blew that, letting the trade earlier here. But it was in the same area though. We got our head bust in this same area. So you see why I hesitated. I ain't mad at it. Now I know we got to, now the trend is back on. Trend is back on. We catch the next one. Hey, that was the same area. You know how mad I would have been if I got my head bust again right there? That's funny. Exact same setup. This time it works. Not the exact same setup, but it's awful close. Awful close. Look at that. Red down, green up. Red down, green up. This time it works like it's supposed to. Go figure. Oh. Oh, we see the red line. We marching. We marching, people. Are we up on trade? Let's verify that. Five trade, 60%. We are up. Okay. Yep, we got a good trend going here on the Swiss yen. My first time trading this, by the way, too. Price action works on anything. If you see it trending, you see it trending. It doesn't matter. Price action is price action. On any chart, any time frame, any market. It works on futures, it works on Forex, it works on cryptos, it works on binary options. It works. I'm not a guru whatsoever. I didn't invent price action. It's been around for ages. Most people just don't use it. But it's nothing new. It's nothing new. It works on everything. What a home run I missed here. What a home run to put us up to on the day. Guess I need to let it go, right? I had my reasons. Gotta let it go. I mean, I got my head bust right here. I had my reasons. Same area. Had my reasons. But what I could have done is when this puppy right here crossed, I could have entered right there knowing that we kind of breaking out, and 1, 2, 3, that was another one. Hindsight is always 20/20 though, right? We got a mover and a shaker now though, boy. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in a row. We got a mover and a shaker. It might tear right through this. Only reason this line is here is because that's where the EMA is on the day chart, which means nothing. We may tear right through that. But a lot of times, you know, you may get a little bounce at the EMA, which would be fine. Because if it gives us a bounce and then an upward move, I'll take it as a breakout pullback. But right now, we are, hey, we humping. We started watching this when it back here, right? You know, we had our shots here. Hey, we had our shots here. We could have been 3 and done in this run. We waited out the pullback. Skipped a couple trades under here. Waited for the correct pullback entry here, the higher low. Won that higher low. Then took the rally base rally. So we want a higher low. We want a rally base rally. And this was just a pullback that, you know, could have taken or could have skipped. We chose to skip it. That's okay. But it's lovely to be able to put a name on a trade, wait for it to come, then take it. Low, higher low, above the EMA. The reason I don't count this one as a low than a higher low is because it's still under the EMA. It would work too though. If you take either one of these, this one or this one, you win. But I wait for it to get above the EMA to be in my direction. So, you know, whichever one you want to go with. Low, let's just low. Put strong push up above the EMA, higher low. Entry right there, boom. Then we had the nice run, pause for the rally base rally. So we want a higher low, then we want a rally base rally. Now we just need some type of pullback. But this is a strong trend at this point. And there's nothing but clear skies up. So let's look at that again. I like looking again just to, you know, so when the pullback comes, I don't get scared knowing that, look, there's nothing up here. Man, we cross this EMA, goodness, nothing up there. The 4 hour has to look ridiculous. Oh, the 4 hour is already above the EMA. It's nothing but clear skies. I think we will get this cycle. And higher low, boom, nothing but clear skies. How many? We need 2 more wins. We only need 2 more setups, and there's nothing you know, ahead of us on these charts. Look at this. Nothing up here. Nothing up here. Clear skies. That's the forecast. Buying is the forecast. You buy, you win. That's the forecast. Look at that EMA. Beautiful. Straight up. I'm going to pause because the video getting long now. I want you guys to notice something. Do you see how small these candles are getting? But they're like stacking up on each other. They're not coming back lower at all. If this red one had done the same thing, that would have been a great sign of a strong trend. And I could have just taken any pullback. But now this bar is too big. But so it looks like we're just gonna get a regular pullback. But it came probably the EMA on the 4 hour. I mean on the day chart is probably the EMA has probably come down. So we probably just hit the EMA. Let's look. Yeah, we didn't quite touch it yet, but we're not far from it. But finally, we're up a trade though. So we can be a little more aggressive with our entries. Basically, I'm saying I will go into the highs at this point because I think this is a super strong trend. If the signal candle has some stupid momentum. Now that EMA is right there though, that does worry me. Does worry me. But the way this thing is pushing out, hey, we may fly right through that EMA. I'd rather a good push down though. Yep, push down for us first. I ain't taking a little dud like that. But I consider this a down up. So we get another down then up. We'd be cool. Again, I'm gonna pause because the video's getting long. See? It's messing with us. Trying to go into them highs. This is a really strong trend, but I just can't do it. Can't go into the highs. Unless this candle crosses this stem real strong. I mean, we're trying to go into the highs and right where we know that EMA is on the day chart, so it's risky business. Risky business up here. This thing has not been making it to the EMA though. I'm at this point, based on the history, right? We didn't get an EMA touch here on this one till it was over. And we haven't had an EMA touch here. So I'm not looking for an EMA touch. I'm just looking for an entry, you know, where I got some room to climb before we have to hit the highs. That's all. See, if I entered here, I'd be in trouble. Where the next candle or two might be the one that just explodes through here. I'll take that. Now we get a good pullback. Just what we want. Just what we want. Nice pullback. It's making an eye pattern though. Down, up, man. We're in consolidation. Okay, we're consolidating. What we want is a counter trend breakout back to the EMA, or down far, and then give us some kind of entry above like that. That's what you want. You want a counter trend breakout, which is trying to do. If it can get under this stem, there we go. There we go. Counter trend breakout. We have some consolidation. The breakout is counter trend. Everybody who trades counter trend is saying that this run here is over. And so, but this is a trend bar though. So I need, okay, we broke lower. That's lovely. I would like actually another bar of pulling down some more, preferably. And then a nice, you know, hammer up or something. That'll work. Okay, does not look like we're gonna get it. And this is a pretty aggressive bar after having this huge trend bar down. Trapped some people. I mean, if it was to close above here, it doesn't look like it's gonna do it. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. One more push down. We maybe got one more leg down. Yeah, one more leg down. Closer to the EMA. I mean, this was a huge run. I mean, should have seen some type of, you know, sellers coming in the market. This was a great run up. Now, if this bar crosses over here, might have to take it. But it's too much time. 27 seconds. I need that to happen with like 10 seconds, not 22. You know, anything can happen. That's a long time to wait to see, you know, if you're right. But if this bar keeps on trucking and breaks out of all this congestion like it's trying to do, we up a trade. Hey, didn't break. Didn't break. I'm a patient man. Didn't break. It's like it had the momentum to do it, but if it ain't do it, it ain't do it. If it didn't break them stems, it didn't break these stems for the high. We still in congestion. So, you know, I want to pull back on down again. I want the true counter trend breakout with a beautiful signal candle up. Tell you what I'm thinking now. I'm thinking now we're gonna go ahead and break out the top of this little range. If I get any kind of strong signal candle that clears here, especially if it closes above this red line, it's a go. Because we moved up, this seller tried to push it down and couldn't, came all the way back up here. Yeah, if I get a big trend bar like this, or like this, that breaks all these highs, I'm going with it. We're gonna be off to the races. Okay. Or if not, if not, I have no problems taking my counter trend breakout back to the EMA. No problem with that at all. But see how we are in congestion. So we're looking for a breakout at this point. A breakout either to the downside where we can get a hammer up off the EMA, or just a huge trend bar that explodes and clears these stems, clear that red. I think it's coming. We're up a trade. We can be aggressive on that one. Plus, that's a trade that wins a lot when that happens. Once you've been in congestion and you break out of it, heading, in the way of the trend, you'll get 3-4 more candles in your direction. It might be something like this. Like if we consider this congestion, then this candle broke us out, and then look, 1, 2, 3. That's what we'd be hoping for. I'm not gonna get it, but a little small green one can set that up. Cause see, we're right in the center of that congestion now. The better trade is a counter trend breakout though, down here. For prices to push back to the EMA is the better setup. This is some real congestion here, so we need to be careful. We're up a trade. We don't want to just blow it. But here we go. Counter trend breakout. Called it. And look, as soon as it touched the EMA, had nothing for it. That's actually unfortunate. That's too much stem. It's too much stem. Unless it turns green. Okay. I'd actually rather push down some more and give me a better entry. I like my signal candles to really be off the EMA, like the stem under it, and then a hammer up would be preferable. But again, this is just looking strong. We got a stem, another stem here. If this candle rockets through, I'm with it. If it rockets through, I'm with it. But again, it's got to make the new high. It's got 26 seconds to do it. Now, if it's to stay like this, no, I don't take inside bars. Where this bar is inside of this one, bottom and top. Don't like that. Okay, it couldn't do it, but it may set up this next bar. But this. I mean, we notice congestion. Doji, small, doji, small, doji, small candles. We are in some congestion. Some people may say accumulation. Maybe it's another word, but hey, it's picking up some steam for the next run. What's happening, but it was sell pressure up there. We knew the EMA was up there on the day chart, right where we put the line. So we're not shocked that it's pausing right now. EMA is right here, but man, if we shoot through that EMA, man, I might have to keep trading, even if I get the 3 in a row. What am I doing? I almost went to a different candle. Don't do that. Here we come. Come on. Come on, don't stop there. Come on. Didn't break. But I think in this candle is going to. I think this candle gonna do it. Break these highs. And if it breaks the highs, I actually will enter as soon as it crosses. But again, I need it to be like 10 seconds left or so. So I don't get caught in a dud. But this is a nice candle. Nice start, nice signal candle to start a run. Now we just need another, see? See why I didn't enter? It did not break. Did not break those candles up there. We are still in some congestion. We're going back and forth, back and forth. That's how you know you're in congestion. It's going back and forth. All right, here's the counter trend breakout back to the EMA again. This is like the, how many attempts? 1 attempt, 2 attempt, 3 attempt. This is the 4th attempt down. I mean, if it can't break this EMA and close under it, we're going up. Only thing about this I don't like is that we've been in congestion so long that the EMA caught up to the price. So we could get a trend break here. Also, we've had a trend break, not just a retest, but a new high. Trend could be over. Could be over. We may be about to go lower. And ooh, I'm not gonna just call that a trend break. Although I think I see a little sliver of red under there. But I need something convincing now, like a matching stem or something, and then a huge candle up. Need something convincing to say that the trend is going to continue, because we've already had a trend breaking a retest to a new high, so that might be it. You know, we kind of playing with fire in here now. I mean, unless we get, you know, a couple candles, it's just undeniable strength. You know, like normally this would be my signal candle, but there's not enough room up there. Okay, it did, right? Nope, matched. It did not close higher. I may be nitpicking now, but that's because we're in congestion. We've already had a retest to a new high. I mean, this thing could be turning over. So again, I want to see a candle break here to let me know, hey, this trend is just heating up. We're currently up a trade, so you know, so no rush, no nothing. We could stop right now, and we've had a winning day, right? I think we're picking up some momentum here. About to taking that IV up. But again, we need to break above this stem right here. I'm gonna pause again. The video is just getting really long now. That would have been a painful loss. Or I've been trying to hold on right now. Be close. Look like I will be pulling it out by the hair, the chinny chin chin, depending on what entry they gave me. Oof, ooh, no. It'd be would have gave that win back, people. I knew I ain't like it. Yeah. Oh, we would have lost. Would have lost. We're still in congestion. Again, we don't have any trade until some super candle makes a new high. I really don't know if it's gonna come. This might be the end. I mean, if I get a legitimate trend break again, that's the trading day for this. No. Trend is over. We've had two good runs. I mean, trend is over. Second run we ate it up. You know, other than this trade, I forgot. I just remembered again. I forgot I didn't take this one. 1, 2, 3. What a home run! I didn't take it. I had forgot. I had forgot. Now it's back in my memory. Yeah, this is nothing but chop you up right here. But I'm telling you, if we get a break here, that's a dub. And then we may get another one shortly after to finish the day up. But notice how the EMA is holding prices though. We haven't closed under it yet. This one might be the one to do it. I mean, it's so small. I really can't call that a break. Let's see what the 4 hours doing. Just a little baby pullback. I think we just have to be patient with this thing. What is the hour doing? Yeah, I think we just have to be patient. We just have to be patient. This thing is moving in bursts. So we just gotta be patient. And wait for the burst that we want. Pause and come back. I mean, now we have an official trend break. EMA is sideways, almost tilting down. We just broke lower than this stem, so that could be it, folks. It was a good run. Sorry it didn't end more exciting than that, but yeah. I mean, we hit this one pretty good. We rode this ride pretty good. This one I didn't do all that great because I blew the breakout pullback. That threw everything off. But we handled our business on this one though. We took that, took the rally base rally, and I skipped this one. Should be up 2 already. Yeah, that's it. As good as this thing looks on the day, the 4 hour, and hour, looks like it's pulling back. But you know what? I just don't think this trend is over. You know, I just think maybe this thing has pretty strong pullbacks. Because actually this is congestion. This is the counter trend breakout. As expected. This is kind of trapping shorts here. I mean, if we get a very big strong candle that closes back above the EMA, well above the EMA, like this one is trying to, but didn't close above the EMA, can't take it. But again, the trade I want is the candle that closes up, makes the new high to tell us that trend is still in play. So it's not over yet. We had a trend break, but it did not hold. We were right back above the EMA again. See, that's why I didn't take this one, because it didn't close strong up there. This could be a drop base drop. Ooh, should we take the drop base drop for the second run? Ooh. 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 I bet that's gonna work. I'm not taking it, but we've already had a trend break. Retest to a new high. This is somewhat of a base drop. I mean, if this works, I won't be shocked at all. Going short. I'm just not gonna go short based on what's happening on those other time frames. But if we look at the pullback that this one over here had, it definitely could work. Like it's doing right now. Yeah, nothing's happening. I'll pause. That did not work. 1, 2, you need a comeback. So I'm feeling like this thing may go higher still. We'll see. Yeah, so you would have lost. If I had taken this, would have lost. So I'm feeling like we're still going higher. We are still gonna go higher. I just need this boy to give us a candle to prove that out to us. Just a nice bar. Yeah, that's a nice bar. Yep, I think the trend is about to resume. I almost wish I had it entered here. We back on. Ouchie. So, question is, do we take another higher low? We got a low. We push back above the EMA. Coming back down. All right. We got a low. Higher low. If this candle can't break back under the EMA and the next candle surges up, we have another higher low entry. Do we take it in this situation? Ooh. Don't look like we're going to get a shot. This is a nice hammer up. Actually, do I just take this hammer up? We're kind of still at the bottom of that congestion a little bit. Yeah, this is better. Come on down and then give me one to prove it. Because, oh, look at that, that broke. But look, now we got a low. If we get a matching higher low right here with a strong signal candle that closes above this candle, I'll take it. Broke lower, gave him some stem, which I like. Low, higher low. I don't know, guys. It look like this is done. It's another trend break. I think the writing is on the wall. So like I said, the entry is a candle that breaks here. You just got to be patient. Okay, we're back. Now remember back here, I thought about taking this shot here, but I didn't because we was down. This time we got cushion. And, you know, we definitely could be headed back up again. I'm going to take the shot this time. If I had got a good signal, candle. Oh well. No, that was just unfortunate. And no. But again, we're making a pattern of a higher low. I mean a low. Pushing back above the EMA. If it can give me a nice little higher low entry. We know that the highs are here. I'll take that. You know, that day chart, those charts are looking so strong, you know. Okay, now I was giving it now it looks really good. Unfortunately, that's not the candle I wanted this to happen on. So we got the break above the EMA. Too much dim. Now we're looking for a pullback. So again, we're looking for we got a low. We're looking for a higher low entry. So we need a little bitty red back, just a small one. Doesn't break the EMA. And then another green up. We'll take it because it's not only is it going to be a higher low, it may be a rally base rally. So we need this candle to pull up, show some stem. It's actually coming back a little too there. There you go. There you go. Not that much, but I didn't want to hammer up. Be careful what you wish for, right? Okay, let's still wait. Actually, I want to go right now, to be honest with you. Off this hammer, gap down first. That's a sign that we're going to push on up. But that's not the entry. We got the low. We need a higher low. Don't have a higher low in place yet. I'm a patient man. Patient man. Oh yeah, here we go. Come on back down. Then on the next candle, if it starts climbing, clears these three stems, especially if it clears these three stems, I have to go with it. I would definitely have to go with it. So yep, so now we're coming down. We want this to close. Don't break the EMA. Like this one tried. Just give us a nice little red. Nice little red. Stop about right here. Stop about there. Nice. Break lower first. Break. Oh well. Come on. Break lower. Break lower. Break lower. Break lower. Break lower. Oh well. When it clears here, I'm going for a low, higher low entry. See if we can win 2 today. Expecting to test these highs again. Just gotta be patient. We like it to break it like 10 seconds to go or so. Hey, Ty. Okay, this is okay. Still in place. Break lower first. Break lower, break lower, break lower. Break lower. Thank you. Thank you. Now, good break lower. Okay, now we want this candle. We want this exact candle to happen again. We want this to turn into this. Then we'll go. Notice if we have taken this, we'd be losing. And if we taking this, 1, 2, 3, barely might have skated. The one to take was the one to have taken was this one, but it's under the MA, so I couldn't. 1, 2, 3. That was the one. That was the one. Yeah, but we want a hammer up. We want this to make a hammer up. We definitely don't want it to close under the CMA. Okay, did not make it, but we couldn't stay under. Telling the story, stem, strong push up. If we can get a candle, broke lower first. If we can get a candle to close above here, especially above here, even above here. See, I can't go now because it's just too much time. But the higher low is in place. Low, push up, buddy MA, higher low. It's in place. All we need is a close above here. Sellers are trying to fight the feeling though. Here we go. There we go. I'm in. Take us on a ride. Come on, don't dud out. Take us on a ride. Oh, don't dud out. That's a dud. That's a dud, people. 3 minutes to go. Okay. So if we can get a good strong close above on the third candle, then possibly we can get a 2 for 1 here.
This is you, Dad. This is you.
Mm-hmm. So we can't get the double up because this isn't the right candle, but we'll just hope we hold on here.
It's something that dinosaur.
Okay, closing your top. Closing your top. All right, but you need to stay alive here. Seconds. If this candle breaks higher, I'm going again for the double up. Needed to break higher though. Show us some strength. Show us some strength. Okay, we got the second win in the books. Okay, we want this to show us that we've taken off. It did not. Okay, so we just wait. All right, now, things are getting interesting. All right, so we in for the finale. The next trade is our double up to finish the day. We just need a good entry, and I'm feeling like going right now on this break. but not with 35 seconds left. Yep. Let's wait. Let's wait. What we want now is a little push down. A red candle would be great, and then a green that breaks all the stems with momentum. Come on, you can go red. You can go red now. Come on back. Cool. No, red. Okay. Break lower first. Thank you. Break lower. Break lower, a little lower. So now we want a nice signal candle. So we want this candle to pass these highs with momentum, and we're gonna go. Again, we're expecting to test these highs over here. We in for the end of the finale. Okay, what are we doing here? Minute 56. Come on. Home run hitter. All right, a minute to go. "44 seconds. "20 seconds. All we gotta do is hold on. 16 seconds. Just hold on. 10 seconds. Just hold on. And that's a Boston. That's a cycle, as I called it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Successful day. That's it, guys. It was not easy. But let's look at the final numbers. Oh, it's gonna take a while to update. I forgot. Can't look yet. Okay, so okay, this is today. We lost, right? Remember that? We lost, we won, we lost, then we ran off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we do it. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 out of 8. We take that. You see these two from yesterday, so that's actually 8 out of 10. Trading at 80% right now. Good 2 days. All right. I'm using Pocket Options as the broker. I'll put a link in the description. Hey, this is Price Action Trading with JD. Just to let you know, I do have a course that is done. Going to be releasing soon. I'm just having some people test it out right now, give me some feedback. But be looking for it. It is on the way. So you take that course and you'll be trading like this. You know, I'm not gonna say in no time because it takes practice. You know, I ain't here to geek you up. I ain't here to pump you up. I'm not here to sell, you know, snake oil. I've been, you know, it took me 3 years to kind of get price action trading, but I wasn't on binary options either. I was on futures, was much harder than this. So I don't know how quick somebody can pick up what I'm doing. You know, it was instant for me. As soon as I got on binary options, it's like everything clicked. So I don't expect, for people who already kind of have some trading experience, I don't expect it to take, you know, years, because, you know, I'm gonna toot my own horn. I'm a good teacher. I make it simple. And so if you follow the directions that I put in the course, I mean, I don't know. I had one person who took the course and he been killing it. I mean, he been like 8 out of 10 every day. So, you know, the proof is in the pudding on that. So I don't expect it to take people a real long time to get this. Unfortunately, I can't tell you how long it's gonna take. I don't know your experience level. I don't know your dedication. I don't know your discipline level. So every person is gonna be different. But hey, the course is coming. I think it has a ton of value. From the 5-6 people that I've given it to so far, all the feedback has been great. So be on the lookout for it. And until next time, I wish you increase on the sun. Bye-bye.